Okay, then let's have a look at this. We need to work out the angle and the side here that's shown. I've written SOHCAHTOA up. It's just a reminder of how to do it then. And we can use Pythag. So the longest side squared equals the sum of the other two sides squared, isn't it? So that would be 3 squared and 4 squared in right angled triangles. 16 and 9 is 25. Square root both sides then. X equals 5. That's better. So X is 5. So it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, we've got our right angle triangle, of course, like we said. Now, if we want to work out the angle here, we had these two sides, so we have the opposite and the adjacent for the angle. So we want the angle, we've got the opposite, and we've got the adjacent there. So if we only had these two sides, we could use tan, couldn't we? But now we've got the x, we can use anything we want because we've got the hypotenuse. So here's the hypotenuse, so we can choose to use what we want. So let's use the sine then. Now we've got x. So sine theta, O over h then, which is 4, over the h, which is, the longest side is 5. Shift sign on the calculator in degrees mode, if we want degrees, which we're working in. So shift sign of 4/5, 4 divided by 5, bracket, equals acute angle 53.13 degrees. Okay, that's that done. Here, let's work it out then. Use Pythag to get x first of all, the longest side squared. 13 squared equals the 5 squared plus the x squared. So that tells us what x squared is then. 13 squared is 169. This is 25, move it over, take away 25 is 144. Square root both sides, it's a positive distance, so it's 12, isn't it? Square root of 144, so x is 12. So it's a 5, 12, 13 right angle triangle, as we knew. This angle here, we can use anything we want. Let's use the cosine ratio to get the cosine of alpha. Adjacent over the hypotenuse, so it's 12 over 13. So shift cos rather, on 12/13. Shift cos of 12 divided by 13. 22.62 degrees. So that's that one. Now let's look at the third example here. So what have we got? We've got x squared plus 1 squared must equal the longest side squared, which is 2 squared. So x squared then is equal to the 4. 1 squared is 1, move that over, minus 1. So x squared is 4, minus 1, which is 3. Square root both sides, and we get the square root of 3. And x is a positive length. So it's a 1, 2 root 3 triangle. Right angle triangle, as we said. And let's use tan this time, shall we? Tan of beta then. That's the symbol for alpha, this is the symbol for beta. Tan is opposite, so SOHCAHTOA, opposite over adjacent. There's the opposite, the angle, there's the adjacent, 1 over root 3. So beta then, shift tan, which we write like this, of 1 over root 3. That's what we work out in the calculator. So shift tan, 1 divided by the square root of 3, outside the square root, put a bracket for the shift tan, 30 degrees. Okay, so that's that done.